Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create YouTube shortcut on desktop. So very fastest and easiest way to create a YouTube shortcut for your desktop or laptop. Open any web browser and search here youtube.com. Then here click on this three dot and here now here hover cursor to more tools. Then click on create shortcut. Give the name. Check this box, open as window, then create. Now close it. So as we can see, we have now this YouTube shortcut. Open it once you need. And once you click on these three dots, so here you will see some more options. You can copy URL, open in Chrome. You can uninstall. You can print. This is the useful. Feature. So this is the best way to print thumbnail. And also guys, here you can find and you can cast. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.